This is our very first coaching session on the podcast. You will have a front row seat to a real coaching experience.
Mm.
So, Jeremy, what would you like coaching on?
Mainly, I think productivity.
So, what's been holding you back? What's been stopping you from being the most productive version of yourself?
That is the thing. Kasi
Mm,
it's a good question. Kasi the more I think about productivity, the more I want to do more. But actually, in fact, I have realized that you're spreading yourself thinly if you do that
mm,
eh. It has taught me itong session na to na just you need to be honest with yourself.
mm,
Kasi if you marami kang mga like mga barriers, it will not help you grow or discover more.
mm,
Tsaka masarap yung feeling na you may freedom ka ba?
mm,
Freedom from yung mga sarili actually it's as only ourselves who are giving the restrictions. Not you, not anybody, but yourself.
mm,
Kasi
yeah,
sabi nga natin, 'di ba, ang ano nating mortal nating kaaway hindi naman yung ano
mm.
natin, yung talagang kaaway yung kundi yung sarili mo eh. Kasi yan din ang nag-hold back sa atin eh.
So how about you? What do you need coaching on? Pag-usapan natin yan. And you can book your free coaching consultation. Nasa baba yung link. Or baka gusto mo maging guest sa podcast and then i-coach din kita for free. Right? So kung gusto mo ng ganon, you apply for free coaching on the podcast. Nasa baba din yung link. Alright, it would be amazing if you can experience the transformation for yourself.